Hi, I am Saraprit Singh. I am a BCom graduate. After completing my graduation, I was looking for a course that can help give my career a boost. So I started doing research about the available courses. Then I found that digital marketing is in trend. I continued my research about digital marketing. While investigating about digital marketing course, I came in contact with some terms that I've never heard in my entire life, like SEO, PPC, AIDA, and PAS, which I found very interesting. I decided to join a digital marketing institute. Then I came in contact with Cubus Training. After having a conversation with my friend who also completed his digital marketing course from Cubus, I decided to join Cubus Trainings. In class, the environment was very pleasant. The teaching style of Paramveer sir makes things easy to understand. You will never get bored in class because of the way Paramveer sir interact with students. At Cubus, they will not only teach you the theoretical part, but will also teach you how to do it practically. Talking about practicals, you will get to run Facebook ads and you even get to make your own website. After class, sir conducted a doubt session in which I cleared all my doubts. But in reality, मैंने ज़्यादा डाउट पूछे नहीं थे क्योंकि सर जब भी कोई टॉपिक पढ़ाते थे तभी उसे अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन कर देते थे। और एक और रीज़न था कि सिटिंग ऑन द फर्स्ट बेंच, डर तो लगता था फर्स्ट बेंच पे बैठने में, पर सर जो भी टॉपिक पढ़ाते थे वो अच्छे से समझ आ जाता था। सर जो भी क्लास में पढ़ाते थे उससे ही रिलेटेड हमें प्रैक्टिकल असाइनमेंट देते थे, इससे हमारी अच्छी प्रैक्टिस हो जाती थी। Other than classes, sir also organizes event like trekking, which was very fun. इस ट्रिप में और भी बैचेस के स्टूडेंट आते थे। इन ट्रिप्स और इवेंट्स में जाने का एक एडवांटेज था कि आप अपनी फील्ड के और लोगों से मिलते थे, उनसे बातचीत करते थे, उनके एक्सपीरियंस जानते थे। आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग द कोर्स, आई जॉइंड इंटर्नशिप इन सर्च इंजन ऑप्टिमाइजेशन एट Cubus Technosis. Till now, it's been 2 months since I joined the internship. The overall experience of this internship is amazing so far. I have learned many new things like how to analyze a website, how to conduct keyword research, and so on. The benefits of joining this internship are that you get to work on big projects, and because of that you get the knowledge of how things actually work in this industry. Overall, I would like to say that joining Cubus Training was one of the best decisions I have ever made. And if you are looking for a digital marketing institute, I would personally recommend you to join Cubus Trainings. Thank you.